Hey, I'm Skip Bedell. Today I'm going to show you how to use smaller cut pieces of tile on the end of the wall to minimize waste. After you determine which type of tile layout you're going to do, subway or stacked, horizontally or vertically, you want to make sure your full tile pieces are centered on the wall with the shorter pieces of tile used at the sides. For this installation, we're installing our tiles horizontally. It's important you start with your first row that it be flush with the tub. To do so, you'll need to trim the flange off the tile so it sits flush against the tub. After ensuring your full tiles will end up centered, measure for the smaller tile you'll need. After determining how the adjoining full panel will lock into it, score and cut with a utility knife, or you can use the power saw. Arranging from left to right, dry fit the first panel against the wall and follow with the rest of the panels in the row to ensure they fit. After determining the first row is trimmed and level, remove the panels and ready for adhesive. Clean the back of the panel with a clean cloth. Apply a 1/4 inch bead of glue around the perimeter of the tile and then go back and fill in the middle with an M pattern. With the glue applied, press the panel toward the wall, carefully working it into the corner trim, sliding it into place. Continue with the rest of the panels with the same process. And there you have it. You've learned how to use smaller pieces of tile on the ends of your wall to minimize waste. For more information, check out palisade-tiles.com.